Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about dengue, because dengue have seemed to gone on the back burner ever since COVID-19 have come. And if you guys remember, Jamaicans were dying from dengue fever at a exorbitant rate. But let's get into the story, because this is what we're here for. It says recent data from the National Epidemiology, let me say it good for all of the grammar police them with the palm channel. Epidemiology unit indicated that the dengue outbreak in the country has officially ended. The health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton made the disclosure during his contribution to the 2020-2021 sectional debates in the House of Representatives on July 7th. Dr. Tufton said that the last 4 months there have been below the threshold numbers, with 37 reported cases in March and 2 in April, 8 in May, and 2 in June. The outbreak ending means that we are no longer having cases of dengue above the threshold, he explained. It has been a long struggle, but the government has given support to the public health team, has worked, the infrastructure has responded, and we can say Jamaicans are safer in regard to dengue. So the same man will tell I say there was no dengue cases, you know. So take everything when you say with a grain of salt. Jamaica has been experiencing the dengue outbreak since January 2009, and that's a lie. It was from 2018, but people and the Jamaica government was not paying attention. The minister reminded persons that the Aedes mosquito, which transmit the disease, is endemic to Jamaica, and urged members of the public to remain vigilant in their activities to safeguard against future outbreaks. What we need to do is to continue to practice personal responsibility, get rid of breeding sites, informing yourself of what to do to protect yourself. All of that is going to be critical, Dr. Tufton emphasizes. The ministry has put in place several measures to minimize the impact of vector-borne diseases. Among these is the launch of a communication and behavior change campaign to reinforce the principle of personal responsibility for health and the employment of more than 1,000 vector control workers. Additionally, the government has spent more than $289 million to increase the number of dedicated vector control vehicles by 71%, up from 25 to 85. The minister has also collaborated with Municipal Corporation and the National Solid Waste Management Authority for the removal of bulky waste that are breeding sites for Aedes mosquitoes. As far as protecting yourself from dengue fever is concerned, make sure you don't have breeding sites around your house. And I know that for a lot of rural areas in Jamaica, we tend to put like metal things in a big pile and leave it, and that is a way for mosquitoes to breed. Water tanks and stuff, if it's not covered, or a way for them to breed. There is just a whole lot of ways for mosquitoes to breed, especially in Jamaica where it's a warm climate. So be careful. Even though they say that dengue is no more, I'm taking whatever Christopher Tufton is saying with a grain of salt, because he's the same one that says that there was no outbreak, and of people started dying from dengue in Jamaica. So whatever he says I take with a grain of salt, but still be vigilant, still be precautious fighting dengue. So comment in the comment section what your guys thoughts are on this. Do you feel like dengue is no more? Do you feel like Jamaican people still need to watch out for dengue fever? What are your thoughts on the minister saying that dengue is no more? Do you believe him? Are you taking what he's saying with a grain of salt, given his history of not being proactive when stuff like this happen? Think that there's still dengue going on, but because of COVID-19 it's being overshadowed, and all the deaths in Jamaica are being blamed on COVID-19 instead of dengue. What are your thoughts? Comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.